severe heat waves, and the India Meteorological Department has issued a red alert for several states until May 28th. In Rajasthan's Bardmer, the temperature reached a scorching 48.8 degrees Celsius, the highest recorded this year. Over 16 places in other states also experienced extreme heat, with temperatures exceeding 45 degrees Celsius. But the impact of these heat waves goes beyond discomfort. They affect people's productivity, especially those working outdoors like farmers and construction workers. The intense heat poses health risks, especially for the elderly and children, with heat-related illnesses becoming more common. But this is not all. Heat waves also strain the economy. They can lead to a decrease in GDP growth due to reduced outdoor working capacity. Sectors like agriculture, mining, and manufacturing are particularly vulnerable. This is because due to heat waves, farmers face challenges due to water shortages, affecting crop yields and leading to inflation in food prices. Additionally, the healthcare system may be overwhelmed by patients suffering from heat-related illnesses. The demand for electricity surges during heat waves, putting pressure on the power grid. Failure to meet this demand could result in power cuts, further impacting productivity and industry. However, some businesses like AC manufacturers benefit from increased sales during hot weather. This also creates job opportunities and boosts economic growth in certain sectors. But overall, studies warn that the situation could worsen in the future, leading to significant job losses and economic decline if adequate measures aren't taken. India thus needs to implement effective strategies to mitigate the impact of heat waves and protect its population and economy. What are your views on this? Do comment and let us know. Till then, keep watching India TV.